This is a Microsoft Surface motherboard, Microsoft Surface 4, and this Microsoft Surface comes to me for no power. We checked, and the problem is in this coil. This is a 3-volt coil, and a 3-volt coil is shorted to the ground. We connect our heater machine. This is our thermal heater camera, and see, this coil is PL5101, and this coil is shorted to the ground. When we check in our schematic diagram, this coil is 3-volt always coil. This coil is 3-volt always coil, and we have to check what is the shorting inside this coil. See, this is a 3-volt always coil. We connect our supply, we give the some ampere. After taken approximately 1 volt, it's not connected properly. Yes, after taken 1 volt, we connect our, this is our thermal camera software, and this is normal vision. We check this IC. This IC is temperature is 3940 temperature approximately. The higher temperature this IC, this is IT IC. When we check thermal imaging, this IC is hitting too much and taken 700 amp in 1 volt. This is a 3-volt line shorting, and this IC is ITE IC. Look, this is a IT IC, and this is a IO IC. We have to replace this IC. Let's replace this IC and check what happened. After reviewing this IC, see, we remove this IC IT. This shorting is gone now. 3-volt shorting is gone now. This is our IT IC. See, IT 8528VG, and this is a totally bald IC. Now we have to replace this IC.